Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at what GBPJPY is going to be giving us this week. Once again, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not done that, and also make sure you click on the bell notification so you will not miss out on any single updates. Now, let's start with our trend on our GBPJPY. You can clearly see on our GBPJPY, this trend is on a full trend, which is an uptrend move. So basically, we tend to have three movements in the markets. It's either market is trending to the upside, or market is trending to the downside, or market is literally ranging. These are the three movements you're most likely going to see right in the markets. But when you zoom it in, you will see that this trend right here is an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. This is a full bullish move, right? Market is trending to the upside. Now, market is now giving us a minor movement, a minor trend. So we have the main trend and we have the minor trend. The main trend is an uptrend move. The minor trend, which you can also see as the current trend, is a downtrend. Now, why is it that? If you take a look at this right here, market has literally come up right here and it has rejected from this zone 3 times. One, we had the first rejection. Second rejection, 2, and this is the third rejection. This is the 3, right? Before market eventually dropped, right? So this is to tell you that market has rejected and it has dropped. Right now, with what market is doing, we need to go to our 4-hour time frame. And as you can see on this 4-hour time frame, market is trending to the downside. You can see a series of lower low and a lower high, right? Now, this is it right here. This is the first low the market did give us. We rejected from the resistance level. Then this is our pullback phase, which is the lower high. The market dropped one more time to form a lower low. Now this is the lower high, right? Market eventually drop again to form a lower low, a new lower low, and now here comes the lower high, right? Markets then eventually drop one more time to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Now markets drop one more time again to form a new lower low. This is the lower high. Now that we go to the lower high, we will be expecting market to drop one more time to form a new lower low. So guys, we are anticipating for another sell on GBPJPY that will take out this low. So a bearish move is what we're going to be expecting for the week. Now, if there will be any changes to this moment that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is very simple. Click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.